If you're experiencing login issues on Target's website or app, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot common issues and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching to a different network or resetting your Wi-Fi router if necessary. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or, if using the app, try clearing the app cache in your device settings. After doing this, attempt to log in again. Step 4. Update your app or browser. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Target app or your web browser. Outdated versions may have bugs or compatibility issues that can affect your ability to log in. Update to the latest version and try again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you've tried all the above steps and still can't log in, reach out to Target's customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot further or resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.